5th January 2020. So basically this is a chart of the gold weekly, and in the last two videos we talked about trading trends. So this basically came down, tested the middle Bollinger Band, which is what these trend diamonds are. This is the Trade Guider plugin. So this is basically what we did. Is we came down, we tested this. I thought because of this bar we were going to get a drop below 1453. We didn't. Instead we took off to the upside. So right now the weekly is trending up. The daily is in a strong trend. This is the Friday's bar, which was due to the issues with Iran. Okay, so there's no reason to sell this bar intraday. We were in a 4-hour trend the whole day. Trend also here. Trend on this one. These here are ATR stops. Another stupid rule is my stupid rules. When we're above the ATR stops, we don't sell. We buy dips. Yeah. So all day long, we're buying here. Here the ATR stops are above the price, but the trend is coming up. So we got conflicting information. When the trend and the ATR stops are in cooperation with each other, i.e. this is below the price and the trend is up, we're buying dips. Yeah. Here, potentially changing direction of trend, right? So this is the 4-hour chart. So let's look at gold now. Let's have a look where we're going to go. So basically gold, we've got the 1-hour chart here. Gold kind of had this test here. We came down, retested, so the 1-hour trend is up, so I was looking for buys. We do have a little bit of supply here that has to be dried up. We can see it in this bar. This bar closed on the lows. This bar closed on the lows. This bar closed on the lows. So we have a little bit of supply here in this 1555 area, which is understandable because if we look on the weekly charts, we can see here there's a lot of supply in this area. Okay, there was a 2-bar reversal here on the weekly which pushed this down. So there's a lot of supply to dry up in this area here, right? Somewhere around 1558. If we gap above 1558, okay, which I think we will on the weekend, Monday, tomorrow, we're basically going to go to this kind of price level here, 1606, somewhere around there. So we're going to go 1558. We're up in the next level, so maybe 1600, 1606 area. Okay. So what I'm looking for tomorrow, I'm looking for basically the trend on the 1-hour to be up, to maintain its upwards move. I'm looking for the 30-minute to be in an upward trend. I'm looking to enter on anything that looks like that bar, anything that looks like this 2-bar reversal pushed down, came back up, or anything that looks like this 1-hour bar. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for tomorrow, and I'm looking for potential targets tomorrow depending what happens. If we blow through 1558 and dry up that supply above us, then we could be up around let's call it a $20 day. We could be up around 1580 tomorrow. 1580 puts us where? Right in the middle of this area here. Yep, potentially we could get there tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, so that's the plan for tomorrow. Unless something changes, unless the trend on the 4-hour, 1-hour changes. So right now my critical level on gold is around, I wouldn't say it's that, I would say my critical level on gold at the moment would be this price support here, so 1535. Anything above 1535 is buy dips to me. I wouldn't even try scalping this. The trend is strong. As soon as they dry this supply up, gold's going to spring. That's my opinion at the moment. That's tomorrow's trade on gold. Okay.